Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the very important topic regarding the English pronunciation. My topic of presentation is what is phonetics? Friends, as far as English language pronunciation is concerned, phonetics is very important topic for every teacher and every student. What phonetics means? The word phonetics is emerged from the Greek language. Phone means sound or voice. Friends, how this word? Friends, phonetics is the fundamental branch of linguistics. Phonetics is the branch of linguistics that examines sounds in a language. Phonetics specially describes these sounds using International Phonetic Alphabets, which is known as IPA symbols. All these IPA symbols are helpful for studying English language, especially that language which is used in differentiation of the letters and sounds and their various salient features regarding the multiple pronunciation. Friends, as far as the phonetics is concerned, phonetics has three important aspects. First aspect, which is very important, that is the articulatory phonetics. Second aspect is the acoustic phonetics, and third aspect is the auditory phonetics. The first topic or the first aspect, the articulatory phonetics, is subfield of phonetics that studies the articulation and ways that human produce speeches. It explains how human produce speech sounds via the interaction of different physiological structures. It is concerned with the transformation of aerodynamic energy into acoustic energy. In this regard, there are two important aspects we have to study, that is the place of articulation and the manner of articulation. The important components of the articulatory phonetics are air cavities, positions and air walls. Dear friends, this part, the articulatory phonetics, is very important for BA third year the phonetics paper, which is considered under the modern English structure. Friends, two important more aspects of the phonetics are the auditory phonetics. What do you mean by auditory phonetics? Auditory phonetics is concerning with hearing and perception. It means how we deliver and how we receive the pronunciation is related to the auditory phonetics. Apart from that, it studies the relationship between speech stimuli and listeners' responses. Friends, the third and last very important aspect of the phonetics is the acoustic phonetics. What I mean by the acoustic phonetics? Acoustic phonetics deals with the aspects of speech sounds. Especially, it investigates the time domain features such as the mean squared amplitude of waveform, its duration, its fundamental frequency or frequency domain features. Apart from this, the acoustic phonetics deals with the frequency spectrum or even combined spectrum temporal features and the relationship of these properties to other branches of phonetics, that is articulatory and auditory phonetics. Friends, apart from all these three important features, we have to think about the very important or basic idea, that is phonetics. Phonetics is the study of English speech sounds. In English, there are 26 letters and 44 sounds which are known as phones. There is one magic in English language, that all 26 letters have different pronunciations. For example, the letter C has various pronunciations. Sometimes the letter C has a pronunciation of K. Sometimes letter C has a pronunciation of S. So all these differences, if you want to study in detail, for that purpose we have to study phonetics. Because in phonetics, especially in the articulatory phonetics, we have to study the important feature of language, that is, what is the difference between sounds and letters. Though there are 26 sounds, though there are 26 letters, but all these 26 letters are divided into 44 sounds. All these 44 sounds are again divided into subparts, vowels and consonants. Dear friends, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the key, above key, and subscribe my channel. Why? Because you will definitely see my other videos regarding education and some important ideas of lifestyle. Thank you very much.